Today we are in San Jose in the heart of the Cambrian area, taking a look at a 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath. This beautiful 2-story home has been completely remodeled and is 2,031 square feet. It sits on a spacious 7,081 square foot lot and is just walking distance to Almaden Plaza. Let's go ahead and take a look. And right off the entrance, we have a beautiful living room with a giant bay window, which in the daytime is going to be letting in all of that beautiful natural light. It also leads us right into the dining room. We are going to have easy access to the deck and beautiful tiling. I thought it was wallpaper when I first came in here, but if you go and take a closer look, you have this beautiful leaf pattern tile on the wall itself, also crown molding all around, and it leads us back into the kitchen. The real showstopper, the kitchen, which has beautiful quartz countertops, brand new Samsung appliances, including a gas stove, which in San Jose is getting harder and harder to come by. Also, we have some really interesting European style cabinets, and you can tell that because they're a lot smoother than you might see in the typical American home. So bringing in a little bit of the old world to the new. Now, right here might be one of my absolute favorite features for the whole house, because usually when you have a divide like this, it is just a wall. But what they chose to do here is open it up and turn it into more of a breakfast bar situation. Again, beautiful quartz countertops, and you also get some storage. So they took something born like a wall and turned it into something that has functional use for your everyday. And then down here, we are going to have our next entertaining space, which hosts a beautiful electric fireplace and easy access to the backyard. We also have our garage right over there and our half bath, and the garage has some beautiful epoxy flooring. And up here on the top, this is going to be where all of the bedrooms live. So again, it's a 4-bedroom house. We'll take a look at those and our first real bath as well. Then finally up here, we are going to have the primary bedroom. I saved the best for last for you guys. It has a gorgeous ensuite and then a walk-in closet with an additional closet on the side. Finally, in the back, we have a vast entertaining space with a beautiful deck, orange trees, which makes everything absolutely perfect for those get-togethers. Well, that's gonna go ahead and wrap up our tour. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below, and thank you for watching.